Welcome to our English learning series. We'll start with some common vocabulary words that you can use in daily life. These are words you'll frequently encounter in conversations. Ambitious. Definition: having a strong desire to achieve success or goals. Example sentence: she's an ambitious student who always aims for the top grades. Frugal. Definition: being economical with money or resources, not wasteful. Example sentence: they live a frugal lifestyle, saving money wherever possible. Diligent. Definition: showing steady, earnest, and energetic effort in doing something. Example sentence: he is a diligent worker, always completing tasks on time. Empathy. Definition: the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Example sentence: her empathy makes her a great friend who always listens. Persevere. Definition: to continue in a course of action even in the face of difficulty. Example sentence: he had to persevere through many setbacks to succeed. Hesitant. Definition: unsure or slow in acting or speaking. Example sentence: he was hesitant to make a decision without more information. Impartial. Definition: treating all rivals or disputants equally, fair and just. Example sentence: the judge was impartial, treating both sides fairly. Articulate. Definition: able to express ideas clearly and effectively in speech or writing. Example sentence: he is an articulate speaker who easily conveys his ideas. Comprehensive. Definition: including all or nearly all elements or aspects of something. Example sentence: the report provides a comprehensive overview of the project. Jubilant. Definition: feeling or expressing great happiness and triumph. Example sentence: the team was jubilant after winning the championship. Convenient. Definition: easy to use or fitting well with your needs and plans. Example sentence: it's convenient to have a grocery store nearby. Reliable. Definition: someone or something you can trust to do what they are expected to do. Example sentence: she's a reliable friend who always keeps her promises. Efficient. Definition: achieving maximum productivity with minimum wasted effort or expense. Example sentence: the new software is more efficient than the old one. Lavish. Definition: sumptuously rich, elaborate, or luxurious. Example sentence: they threw a lavish party for their anniversary. Lavish. Definition: sumptuously rich, elaborate, or luxurious. Example sentence: they threw a lavish party for their anniversary. Nostalgic. Definition: a sentimental longing or wistful affection for the past. Example sentence: he felt nostalgic when he visited his childhood home. Candid. Definition: being honest and straightforward in expressing opinions. Example sentence: he gave a candid response, not holding back any details. Optimistic. Definition: hopeful and confident about the future. Example sentence: she remains optimistic despite the challenges she faces. Quaint. Definition: attractively unusual or old-fashioned. Example sentence: they stayed in a quaint little cottage by the lake. Resilient. Definition: able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Example sentence: children are often more resilient than adults realize. Gratitude. Definition: the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation. Example sentence: she expressed her gratitude with a heartfelt thank you note. Serene. Definition: calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Example sentence: the lake was serene in the early morning light. Tenacious. Definition: persistent in maintaining, adhering to, or seeking something valued. Example sentence. Her tenacious spirit helped her achieve her dreams. Unanimous. Definition. Fully in agreement. Example sentence. The decision to proceed was unanimous among the team members.
Definition: keeping careful watch for possible danger or difficulties. Example sentence: the security team remained vigilant throughout the event.
Keen. Definition. Having or showing enthusiasm or eagerness. Example sentence. She's keen to learn new languages and cultures. Curiosity. Definition. A strong desire to learn or know something. Example sentence. Her curiosity led her to explore new subjects every day. Adaptable. Definition. Able to adjust to new conditions or environments. Example sentence. She is highly adaptable and can handle change with ease. Itinerary. Definition. A planned route or journey, often used while traveling. Example sentence. I've prepared a detailed itinerary for our trip. Proactive. Definition. Taking action by causing change and not only reacting to it when it happens. Example sentence. Being proactive at work can lead to better opportunities. Now, let's test your knowledge with a quick vocabulary quiz. I'll give you a word, and you'll have a few seconds to recall the meaning. Word. Efficient. Definition. Achieving maximum productivity with minimum wasted effort or expense. Example sentence. The new software is more efficient than the old one. Word. Adaptable. Definition. Able to adjust to new conditions or environments. Example sentence. She is highly adaptable and can handle change with ease. Great job! Keep practicing these words to reinforce your learning. Try to use these words in your conversations today. Here's a quick recap before we move on.